Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find services on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to have services done on OfferUp. How do you actually find these services? Now the way to do this is that first you want to make sure that your OfferUp app is up to date with the latest version. Then go ahead and log into OfferUp and then click on the services tab located on the upper hand side. Now on this page here, you can see popular services near you such as house cleaning, handyman, TV mounting, furniture assembly, and more. So with that, let's click on lawn mowing and trimming. Now here is the list of different services that you can find on OfferUp. So once you click on one of these services, you'll actually read an introduction or description of them. So most of the time you could actually go ahead and click on Get Quote, where it will take you to a third-party portal. So for example, if I click on Get Quote here, it's going to take me to Thumbtack where I can actually input my information and I'll get a quote from this service provider. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use services on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.